In the world of beauty and entrepreneurship, few stories are as inspiring as Lisa Price's journey with Carol's daughter. What began as a humble kitchen experiment turned into a multi-million-dollar brand, eventually catching the attention of beauty giant L'Oreal. The $27 million acquisition of Carol's daughter in 2014 was more than just a business deal. It was a cultural moment that highlighted the power of Black-owned businesses and the growing demand for diversity in the beauty industry. But what were the dynamics behind this acquisition, and what lessons can we learn from it? Today we'll uncover the untold story behind L'Oreal's strategic move, the challenges Lisa Price faced, and the impact this deal has had on the beauty industry. Lisa Price's entrepreneurial journey began in her Brooklyn kitchen in 1993. Inspired by her mother Carol, Lisa started making handmade beauty products using natural ingredients. She began selling her creations at local flea markets and quickly gained a loyal following. The brand's unique approach to catering to textured hair and melanin-rich skin set it apart in a market dominated by generic beauty products. By the early 2000s, Carol's daughter had become a cult favorite among Black consumers, gaining endorsements from celebrities like Jada Pinkett Smith, Erykah Badu, and Oprah Winfrey. This visibility catapulted the brand into mainstream consciousness, solidifying its status as a pioneer in multicultural beauty. Lisa's commitment to quality and authenticity was evident in every product, from shampoos and conditioners to body creams and oils. Her ability to address the specific needs of Black women, who were often overlooked by mainstream beauty brands, filled a critical gap in the market. The brand's name itself, Carol's daughter, honored her mother's legacy and resonated deeply with consumers who appreciated its personal and familial roots. Carol's daughter was not just a brand, it was a movement. Lisa Price's personal story, of turning adversity into opportunity, resonated with a growing audience eager for representation and authenticity in the beauty industry. Her ability to connect emotionally with customers was a cornerstone of the brand's success. Grassroots marketing and authenticity can create powerful connections with consumers, especially in underserved markets. Despite its success, Carol's daughter faced significant challenges as it expanded. Scaling a niche brand to compete with established industry giants required substantial capital and resources. By 2010, the company was struggling to maintain profitability, leading to store closures and restructuring efforts. The challenges were not merely financial. The rise of online shopping and changes in consumer behavior required Carol's daughter to adapt its business model. Competing against well-funded competitors in the beauty space meant grappling with marketing budgets that far exceeded those of a small, independent brand. Lisa Price's determination to keep her business afloat pushed her to seek strategic partnerships. She recognized the need for an ally with the resources and expertise to help Carol's daughter reach its full potential. Enter L'Oreal. Price's decision to pursue external funding was not without controversy. Some loyal customers questioned whether aligning with a global corporation would dilute the brand's identity and values. Nevertheless, Lisa's focus remained on preserving the essence of Carol's daughter while ensuring its growth and sustainability. The road to the L'Oreal acquisition also highlighted the difficulties faced by Black entrepreneurs in accessing funding and resources. Despite her brand's popularity, Lisa Price had to overcome systemic barriers that often hinder minority-owned businesses from scaling. Growth often necessitates difficult decisions, including seeking external support to scale effectively. In October 2014, L'Oreal announced its acquisition of Carol's daughter for $27 million. The deal was a strategic move for L'Oreal, which sought to expand its multicultural beauty portfolio and tap into the growing market for products catering to diverse consumers. The acquisition was celebrated as a milestone in the beauty industry, with Lisa Price continuing to play an active role in the brand's operations. By retaining Price as the face and voice of Carol's daughter, L'Oreal ensured that the brand's authenticity and connection with its core audience remained intact. For Lisa Price, the acquisition represented a bittersweet milestone. While it ensured the survival and growth of Carol's daughter, some fans questioned whether the brand's authenticity would remain intact under corporate ownership. However, Price reassured customers that she would remain deeply involved in the brand's vision and operations. The deal also reflected a broader shift in the beauty industry. L'Oreal's willingness to invest in Carol's daughter demonstrated a growing recognition of the value of diversity and inclusion. The acquisition sent a clear message: Brands that celebrate individuality and cater to niche markets are not only viable but essential to the future of the industry. Key insight: L'Oréal's interest in Carol's daughter highlighted the increasing importance of diversity in the beauty industry. By acquiring the brand, L'Oréal not only expanded its product offerings but also demonstrated a commitment to inclusivity. The acquisition of Carol's daughter was a turning point for the beauty industry. It underscored the value of Black-owned businesses and the growing demand for products tailored to diverse consumers. Since then, major beauty companies have made similar moves, acquiring or partnering with brands that cater to underrepresented markets. Carol's daughter's success story has also inspired a new wave of Black entrepreneurs to enter the beauty space. The deal validated the potential of niche brands to achieve mainstream success, encouraging investors to pay closer attention to multicultural markets. The acquisition also signaled a shift in corporate strategies. Beauty conglomerates began prioritizing authenticity and inclusivity, realizing that these values resonated deeply with modern consumers. By embracing diversity, the industry has become more representative and innovative, creating opportunities for brands like Shea Moisture, Fenty Beauty, and Pattern by Tracy Ellis Ross to thrive. Beyond the business implications, the deal had cultural significance. It celebrated the contributions of Black entrepreneurs to the beauty industry and highlighted the importance of creating spaces where diverse voices are heard and celebrated. This cultural impact continues to shape the narratives around beauty and representation. Representation matters, and businesses that embrace diversity are better positioned to succeed in an increasingly globalized market. Lisa Price's journey offers valuable insights for aspiring entrepreneurs. 1. Stay true to your vision. Authenticity was the cornerstone of Carol's daughter's success. Building a brand that resonates with your target audience is crucial. 2. Embrace partnerships. Growth often requires collaboration. Finding the right partner can provide the resources and expertise needed to scale your business. 3. Adapt to challenges. Navigating financial and operational difficulties is part of the entrepreneurial journey. Resilience and adaptability are key to overcoming obstacles. 4. Champion diversity. Recognizing and addressing the needs of underserved markets can create significant opportunities for growth and innovation. Price's resilience and commitment to her vision offer a roadmap for navigating the complexities of scaling a brand while staying true to its roots. Her ability to embrace change without compromising the integrity of Carol's daughter is a testament to her entrepreneurial acumen. The story of Carol's daughter and L'Oréal is more than a tale of corporate acquisition. It reflects broader societal changes. The increasing visibility of Black-owned businesses and the push for diversity in industries like beauty signal a cultural shift toward inclusivity and representation. For global corporations, the success of partnerships like this one underscores the importance of understanding and serving diverse consumer bases. Companies that invest in inclusivity not only expand their market reach but also foster goodwill and loyalty among their audiences. Additionally, this acquisition highlights the potential for collaboration between independent entrepreneurs and established corporations. By working together, they can leverage their respective strengths to achieve mutual success while driving innovation in their industries. The $27 million deal between L'Oréal and Carol's daughter was more than a business transaction. It was a testament to the power of perseverance, vision, and representation. Lisa Price's story continues to inspire entrepreneurs worldwide, proving that with passion and determination, it's possible to turn a kitchen-based idea into a global phenomenon. As the beauty industry continues to evolve, the lessons from this acquisition remain relevant. Authenticity, inclusivity, and resilience are key to success. What do you think about this acquisition? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the stories behind business success. See you in the next video.